What's up everybody, TechDad HD here, and what I want to talk about today is the Samsung One UI 2. I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S10 for this video, so there's a lot of different things that are a part of this new UI system, and I'm just going to touch base on 10 things that I really enjoy on this new update. So the first one's going to be full screen gestures. So what we're going to do is go to settings, down to your display, then scroll down where it says navigation bar. You can have two types. You can have the navigation buttons or your full screen gestures. I like doing full screen gestures because there's no buttons at the bottom. And it's kind of like the iPhone where you swipe up to go to the home screen and left and right on your screen to actually go back and forth. And there's more options in there too. You can look at whatever you like your settings to be. If you swipe up from the bottom, it actually closes your application like the iPhone would. The second thing I like is the one-hand mode. So what we're gonna do here is you're gonna go to your settings, your advanced features, and go down to where it says one-hand mode. Click on that, and what that's gonna do is if you like to use this one hand to type or scroll through your stuff, it's going to give you a smaller screen size on your phone so you can actually use one hand. So click on one-handed mode and you can do a couple gestures, either swipe down in the center or the bottom of the screen or double tap the home button, whatever you have. I have the gesture swipe down in the center of the screen. So let's go back and check that out. So right there, right below this middle app right here, you swipe down and it gives you a smaller screen so you can use one hand. And you want to go back to the double screen, the full screen, double click, and you're back to full screen. The next thing is pretty cool, is the edge lighting. So let's go to your display in your settings here, hit display, and then where you're gonna go is down here where it says edge screen. Click on edge screen, and then make sure some of these are on. So edge panels are on, edge lighting is on. So clicking on this, you can do lighting style. And what it does is it gives you different backgrounds. So when somebody texts you, you know, the ring around that whole edge of that phone is different types of effects. You can do different colors. You can do size, width, how long you want it. And you know, they got a bunch of them in there. So definitely check those out. One of the big updates is the device care. It had a huge overhaul compared to the last one. So definitely want to check this out. So you want to go to your settings and then go down to your device care. It's right here. It shows you any unnecessary files you need to delete, your battery, your storage, memory, and you know, just click optimize now and it'll close apps, free up some storage. And I freed up 29 gigs of storage since I started using this device care. So it's something to use your phone to make it run smoother, detects any apps that crashes like that. And again, it's real simple device care to go through. And you can actually do that at the top menu. Swipe down, you got your settings, again, device care. Same way to do it. You either swipe down, go to your settings, or if you have your app here, click on settings to go to. That's another way you can actually open those. Another cool thing is the wireless battery power share. So we used to be able to turn this thing on and actually share our battery with somebody else. If it's a watch, if it's a phone, you would turn your phone around the backside and that other person would put their phone on yours if they have wireless charging, and it would charge their phone. The bad part is if we left it on too long, it would kill our phone and we wouldn't have any battery. And their phone isn't capable of doing the same thing. So they would have a nice charged battery and we would have a dead phone. So what they did with this new update, so you want to go to your settings. Let's go to your battery on device care, battery. And then right here where it says wireless power share, you can turn it on, off. And what this did here is they put a limit of your battery. So once your battery, you can set it all the way to 90% or 30%. So what that says is if you want your battery, if you have a full battery, 100%, and you want to help somebody's other phone charge, you can set the battery limit, say, once my battery goes down to 50%, wireless power share shuts off, which is a great feature. So definitely check that out. Definitely make sure that yours is on a certain percent so you don't lose any battery and lose your phone power if you're trying to help out somebody else. Another good feature is screen recording. You want to scroll down your top menu here, screen record right here. So you can click on screen record. You can do no sound. And what happens, you hit start recording. It does a little countdown for you. And now your phone is recording. It has this little bar up here where you can actually, change colors of a pen. Say you want to talk about something, you say, this right here is where we're gonna go next. And you can do that for the whole video, which is really neat. And then you hit stop, and then the recording saves to your gallery. Pretty simple. A really great feature that they added was dark mode. So what we do is we scroll down and look for dark mode in here. Dark mode selected. Having dark mode off makes everything bright. Your screen, your background's white. Having it on, obviously makes it dark. Really cool feature. And you can turn it on as scheduled, sunset to sunrise, customize schedule, apply to wallpaper, a lot of different things you could do with dark mode now. And it just makes your phone experience a lot different and better. So the Samsung Galaxy phones have a wonderful camera, a lot of great features on them, different types of ways to take pictures. So what they did was they added a couple more features, and they don't have them all pinned down at the bottom here either, which is neat. So what you can go is go to more, and you can either pick what one you like for more instead of having all the icons down at the bottom, or you can actually add the icons to the bottom of the page. So if you wanted a slow motion, I really don't use any of that, but you can drag it down to the bottom of the page, which is adding it to your main page when you want to scroll around to look for things. So another feature they added for your phone dialer is places. So you used to go to Google Maps or whatever to look for restaurants or places to go. You can actually do that on the phone dialer now. So the thing you do is you click on your phone dialer. On the bottom here it says places. You want to click on that, and you can by price if it's open now, and you have a list of places you can go through your phone dialer. So a great tool that I really like is Live Transcript. What is that? Well, you can actually be speaking on a video and it comes in as you're speaking the words on the screen. So you want to go to your settings, go down to your accessibilities, and you want to go down to your hearing enhancements. And right here where it says Live Transcript, you want to download that app. So you're going to allow record audio. Okay, so I don't know why it says beer, but as you can see, I'm talking and it is actually writing out what I'm saying. So this is a really cool feature for people that have a hard time hearing, or if they like to read what people are saying. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing to this channel. I hope some of my tips and tricks will make your experience on your phones a little bit better. And if I haven't put it on the video, one of your tricks that you might have found or something that you like about your new phone on the new One UI 2, definitely let me know in the comments below. So thank you again for watching this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed, definitely do so. This is Tech Dad HD, and we will see you next time. Peace.